Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Mamelodi Sundowns have officially signed Siyanda Ndlovu from Golden Arrows. In a statement that says, Siyanda Ndlovu is yellow, Mamelodi Sundowns welcomes Siyanda Ndlovu as the latest addition to the team. Siyanda Ndlovu seemed to have completed his move to Orlando Pirates last week when he completed his medical. However, the player and Orlando Pirates, they did not agree when it comes to personal terms. Even though they had reached a club-to-club agreement with Golden Arrows. That gave Mamelodi Sundowns an opportunity to go and bid for Siyanda Ndlovu. And they had a club-to-club agreement with Golden Arrows before discussing personal terms with Siyanda Ndlovu. And Siyanda Ndlovu agreed to the terms that Mamelodi Sundowns offered him. So what we know is that it means Mamelodi Sundowns offered him a better package than the one he would have been receiving at Orlando Pirates. So that is how Mamelodi Sundowns managed to hijack a deal for Siyanda Ndlovu to Mamelodi Sundowns. What a signing by Mamelodi Sundowns. He has been an amazing player in this past season. So both teams were working very hard to acquire his services, and it is Mamelodi Sundowns who won that race. So let me hear your thoughts down below. What do you think of this move by Mamelodi Sundowns to sign Siyanda Ndlovu? Are you excited with this move? And do you think that he chose right by choosing Mamelodi Sundowns over Orlando Pirates? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. And in other news, Ronaldo Lina became a free agent after Sekhukhune United failed to exercise the option to extend his contract before the required deadline, allowing the 28-year-old goalkeeper to leave the club without a transfer fee. Now, we have established that Kaizer Chiefs have now tabled an offer for the Bafana Bafana keeper, with only final formalities including personal terms and medical still need to be concluded before the move is completed. The latest development marks a significant turnaround in a race for Lina, who had attracted interest from Orlando Pirates and Amazulu following the confirmation of his departure from Sekhukhune United. Should this deal be finalized, Amakhosi will strengthen its goalkeeping department ahead of the new season, joining Captain Brendan Peterson, Bruce Vuma and Fiacre Ntwari as the new head coach Fernando da Cruz looks to increase competition for the number 1 jersey. Lina impressed during his spell at Sekhukhune, and he earned recognition by getting a call-up to Bafana Bafana. Now, this will mean that Kaizer Chiefs will sign Ronaldo Lina on a free transfer. So let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this move by Kaizer Chiefs to sign Ronaldo Lina on a free transfer? Are you impressed with this signing? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.